What's up, everybody? Today we're going to install the front hatch compartment or dry storage on the front of my kayak. Right now I am using a Sharpie and the gasket. I'm tracing the inside of the gasket so that I know where to cut with the jigsaw. Now I've got an 1 1/8" paddle bit where I'm going to drill a hole so that I can stick my jigsaw blade in there and then cut around the circle. I started drilling out close to the circle so that I don't have to cut through everywhere. Now, word of advice, save the cutout. That way if you need to patch something, you've got plastic for it. When I'm cutting, I'm pretty much just trying to cut along the circle, trying to take the line out. Not on the inside of the line, not on the outside of the line. I'm actually trying to cut the line itself. And then right here I had to shave just a little bit more off, was where I can see that I didn't take the line out. Now I'm doing a dry fit, seeing how well it fits in there. I'll put a link to the description. The exact hatch that I'm using, I purchased it on Amazon. This is a 6.5" dry storage hatch. Now I'm just kind of testing the function of the little locking mechanism on it. The lock twists and folds down, stay out of the way. And then you lift it back up, twist it, pull it open. You can lay it back down no matter which way you twist it, so it stays out of your way. Now I've removed the hatch and I'm showing you these are the rivets that I used. I chose to go with rivets instead of using the provided stainless steel screws. I did purchase those rivets off of Amazon also. I used a drill bit. It is pretty much the exact same size as the rivet. Drilling the first hole, and I'm going to stick the rivet in the hole, testing the fit, and to also hold hatch in place while I drill the rest of the holes. So after each hole I drill, I will pretty much stick a rivet down in the hole, 1 to test the fit, and 2 to hold it all in place. Make sure they all line up all the way around after each hole. Now the foam gasket that comes with it does not have holes already in it. It's just a solid piece of the foam gasket. So what I did was hold the gasket to the bottom of the hatch and then just took my drill and ran the drill through the gasket. I'm guessing they didn't put holes in it because they wanted to use the stainless steel screws that were provided. But I had to make holes so that way I could line it up with the holes in my kayak and on the flange. And here you can see the gasket where I made holes in it. I made those holes off camera. So now I'm pretty much just test fitting everything back together, including the gasket, like I had already had it. I'd already test fit it once before, but I'm test fitting it again just because I had put the holes in the gasket and I didn't test fit it before with the gasket. And everything fits good. Next I'm going to get the silicone. The link for this in the description. I purchased it off of Amazon as well. Everything I used on this project I purchased at Amazon. I'm going to put silicone on the top of the hole. We'll put silicone around the rivet holes also. I just don't trust those little gaskets that come with it, so I'm kind of taking some other precautions. Note that this hatch is a 6.5, whereas the Outlaw typically only takes a 5-inch, so this is bigger. Now that I have the silicone down, put it all back down in the hole, put rivets in, and then I'll use a rivet gun, start popping the rivets off. These rivets are an aluminum rivet. They do have a gasket underneath the head of the rivet to help prevent any leakage. They are aluminum, so they will not rust. As for the rivet gun, I just picked one up at Home Depot. It came with a little kit, a couple different sizes of rivets in the kit that I bought, and the gun actually has the pieces that you need for the different size or different diameter rivets. And there we have it, completely installed. No screws to worry about coming loose because I use the rivets. Nice little storage area. And here we have a DIY dry storage hatch install in 10 minutes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell.